Hello and welcome to Johnston Community College's English 112 Fall 2019 Week 16. Woo! We're just about done. We are in December. Holy cow, where did this semester go? Okay, December. So what's going on? Well, hey, we haven't done a research log in a while. Let's do one of those. Okay, so we have one of those, and that's due on the 12th. There is some readings on giving presentations because you've been working on your final presentations, which are also going to be due by the 12th. All right, so what's going on? Research log 11. In this post, explain the difference between an opinion editorial and a proposal. So you did an opinion editorial, and you also did a proposal paper. Okay, so what's the difference? You know, what's the purpose of both, and the intended audiences, and how they differ from each other? Okay, and then think about your topic and how the opinion editorial could impact that. Okay, so in 300 words, that's research log 11. And then finally, you get to upload your final presentation. Okay, so we'll click on that bad boy, and we'll view the rubric for this one. Okay, so how are you going to get graded on this? Well, basically, have you presented a PowerPoint or a Prezi or some other format, okay? That, again, and then there's a whole video that explains how to do this assignment. So basically, you need to have a reference slide. So just take your reference page from your proposal paper and just copy and paste that as your last slide. You'll be in good shape there. And then make sure you have the following components: overview of the problem, proposition, specific explanation, discussion of feasibility, and call to action. So those are the things I'm looking for, and again, that is all explained in the actual assignment itself. So that's what's going on there. And again, you would browse your computer. This one, you can't really check for plagiarism because it's not really a paper, it's a presentation. And then you would hit submit. So that is how you upload your final presentation. Okay, so again, by the 12th, you will have this research log, basically explain the difference between an opinion editorial and a proposal. You'll upload your final presentation. Again, if you missed it from last time, final presentation, you don't have to record your voice. All you have to do is create the slides and upload those slides, and again, review back to week 14 for more information on that. Okay, so that is what's going on here for week 16. So go have fun and get that one done.